Hi, welcome back. I'm Shireen with All Street Designs. And it's been a long day and a lot of sanding today, working on a couple of pieces and did a lot of sanding. And during all of that sanding, my SurfPrep started completely acting up. So I'm going to plug it in here. So that just says it has power. But as soon as I hit the power button, normally when I hit that, it's just sitting there saying, I'm ready to go. And then you have to hit this trigger button or whatever lever, the trigger lever, in order to actually make it start sanding. Well, what's happening is if I just hit the power button, obviously you can hear it, it's sanding, and then when I hit the trigger, it goes faster. But my green light right here, turn it off since I can't hear. The green light is also flashing. And so it's telling me something's wrong. So I've done a little deep dive into trying to figure out what is wrong. And apparently what it's telling me is it's out of calibration. I don't know if it's just I've used it for a long time and they've kind of gotten out of sync, or I might have dropped it or something. But anyway, whatever's happening in here is between this and the motor, the electronics in the motor, they're out of sync. And so I need to get it recalibrated. And we're going to unplug it. So we don't want to unplug it from it being green and unplug it. You unplug it from when it's red. We're going to put push on the minus button, and you want to push it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep holding it, plug it in, and then press down. And it's recalibrated. So hopefully, fingers crossed. Now when I hit the power button, it's not going to come on automatically and only with the lever. Okay. I have a green flashing light. That looks good. That's awesome. It has been so irritating that, as I'd let go and normally it stops, it's still going. And so I had to constantly turn the power on, off, or unplugging it all day today. So I needed the fix, but that was it. So hope that helps. Recalibrate your SurfPrep.